Most people get this wrong. They think Quick Split Pay is just another buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it doubles as a fast wage access tool with transparent fees and built-in budgeting aids if you use it wisely. Here's how it works. Quick Split Pay lets you split purchases or access a portion of your earned income before payday, usually within hours. Instead of charging high interest like traditional payday loans, it uses a flat fee per advance or installment. The app also offers repayment reminders, spending alerts, and optional tools to help manage your cash flow. The downside? Overusing Quick Split Pay can get expensive. Fees add up quickly if you treat it like regular income. Missing a repayment can also restrict your account or trigger extra charges, so discipline is key. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only access what you truly need and can repay on time. 2. Set alerts to avoid missed payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce repeated reliance. Who should use Quick Split Pay? It's best for steady income earners who occasionally face unexpected expenses or want to split purchases without incurring interest. If your income is irregular or you struggle with repayment, it may end up costing more than it helps. In conclusion, Quick Split Pay in 2026 is a convenient tool for bridging short-term cash gaps, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a convenience, not a paycheck. Monitor fees carefully and stick to repayment plans. Subscribe for more reviews and tips to manage your money smarter.